everyone. I'm Lisa from Pink Holly Bush Designs and welcome to my sewing studio. Today I want to tell you about the latest product from Pink Holly Bush, and that is our Smocked Christmas Ornament Book. I want to show you all the different ornaments and patterns that are in it. But first, if you don't know me, at Pink Holly Bush Designs, through our patterns and our courses, we teach modern smocking, so you can add love with every stitch. So I'm so excited to show you our new ornament book, let you see it and the different ornaments in it, and stick around because I have some great news at the end about some free smock-alongs that I'm going to be running that you can jump in and join. So let's take a look at the book and the ornaments. First of all, it's printed. If you buy the printed copy, it also comes as a PDF on glossy, heavy paper, and the entire thing is in color. So you'll see that there are step-by-step directions for every aspect of making the ornaments, including how to prep your fabric. You'll find graphs for each of the ornaments, and then step-by-step directions for how to finish each of them. In the back, you'll find a glossary with step-by-step directions for every stitch that's included. Now let's take a look at the ornaments themselves. Here I have them all. So first of all, there's 4 smocked balls. This is the crisscross, which is the one we're going to be doing for the upcoming smock-alongs. I'll have details on that in just a couple minutes. Here's the mistletoe ornament. A brand new one called the poinsettia ornament. We also have another one called the red heart. Now I don't have that one here. I've already given it away. There's the smocked fan. And I have that in 2 different colorways. So you see, you don't have to just do red and green. You can do whatever colors you like. And then last, the smocked wreath. Now if you've ever wanted to try smocking, but you don't have a pleater, that's no problem. We offer pre-pleated fabric strips in red, white, and green. So just grab one of your strips when you grab the ornament book. Now if you've never smocked before, will you be able to learn from our ornament book? Well, that kind of depends. Are you a crafty person? Have you done some embroidery? Are you comfortable with the needle and thread? Are you comfortable teaching yourself from written directions? If that's the case, then yes, absolutely. Even if you've never smocked before, you'll be able to be successful making one of these ornaments just by following the directions in the Smocked Christmas Ornament Book. Now, if that isn't the case though, you're new to embroidery, or maybe you're somebody who really wants to be able to visually see each step, then I have a Learn to Smock video course, and I would recommend that you check that out. You would have lifetime access. You do make a smocked ornament in the course, and you can see every single step being demonstrated. So I'll put the link for the course down below. Go ahead and check that out. Now,